Hello, welcome back, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are going on healthy and happy. Are you ready for today's class? Okay, very good. Today we are going to do the text activity 4 and 5 from the third unit, The Little Girl and the Umbrella. Listen here, activity 4. Look at this cartoon given below. What do you see here? Yes, very good. A traffic policeman and a car driver. The policeman is very angry and he is asking something to him. And the driver is giving some reply. What is that? Yes, whether he was talking over his mobile phone while driving or not. Okay, then the reply is given here. No, sir, I was not talking on my cell phone. I was watching a TV show on my iPod. Here, what might be the policeman asked the driver? What reply did the driver give? Here the driver replied that whether he was talking over his mobile phone while driving. Then what reply did the driver give? No, sir, I was not talking on my cell phone. I was watching a TV show on my iPod. Okay. Do you think he was telling the truth? Why? No, he was not telling the truth. We know usually such people tell a lie. What message does the cartoon give us? Yes, very good. Do not use mobile phones while driving. It may cause some accidents. Be careful. Okay? Then, the cartoon humorously converts the message against rash driving. Here is a policeman who rushed to the spot where the accident occurred. He asked a few questions to the driver. The answers the driver gave are given below. Guess the questions the policeman asked and write them in the table below. Look, here are two columns. One is questions and another one is answers. The answer: I was driving at the speed of 70 km per hour. Then, what will be the policeman's question? Yes, very good. What was your driving speed? Okay, then the second one, the answer column: I was rushing to the hospital. Then what will be the question of policeman? Yes, where were you going? Then the third answer, my mother is hospitalized. Then what will be the policeman's question? Yes, why were you going to the hospital? Okay, then the fourth answer, yes sir, I was talking over my mobile phone as the doctor called. Then what will be the policeman's question? Yes, the policeman's question was, weren't you talking over your mobile phone? Okay, then look at the next answer. Yes sir, I know it is against traffic rules. Then what will be the policeman's question? Yes, very good. Don't you know that it is against traffic rules? Okay, then look at the next answer. No sir, I will never again use mobile phones while driving. Okay, then what will be the policeman's question? Yes, very good. Will you use your mobile phone again while driving? Okay, my dears, now you have to fill it in your text. Okay, let's move on to the next activity, page number 94. Listen here, my dear children. Activity 5. Look at the passage taken from the story. Certain words in it are missing. The missing words tell more about the actions. Revisit the story and find out the missing words. Listen. Gracie pays. Lily begged again. I won't let you in under my umbrella, Gracie said. Lily could not control her tears. She wept. The rain also was cruel to her. It came down on her. Okay, my dears. Here, some words are missing in this passage. Let's find out that words. Okay, listen. Gracie, please. Lily wept again. Then, go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella, Gracie said stubbornly. Okay. Then, Lily couldn't control her tears. She wept bitterly. The rain also was quite cruel to her. It came down heavily on her. Okay, you have to list down these words and find out some other words from the story. Okay, now read the following story. Some words are underlined in it. Select apt words from the box below and place them before action words. Okay, my dears, shall we do it? Listen here. Once upon a time, there lived a hare and a tortoise in the forest. The hare always proudly talked about his speed. He made fun of the tortoise for his low speed. The hare challenged the tortoise to have a race with him. The tortoise bravely accepted the challenge. The race began. The crow was the referee. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise also slowly ran. He was left far behind. The hare stopped to take rest under a tree. He fell asleep. The tortoise passed him and gently reached the winning post. The hare woke up a little later and ran very fast. He saw that the tortoise was already there at the winning post. He had won the race. The hare shamefully lowered his head. Okay, my dears, you have to write these words before the action words in your text. Okay, my dears, hope you understood today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.